Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'll be showing you how to export your PDF or your presentation or anything from Tome.Ai to PDF. First of all, if we have this presentation, for example, let's use this template. Okay, now we have the template. Oops, something's happening. Okay, so for example, we have this PowerPoint presentation. All you have to do is go to the upper right part of the screen, and as you can see, there's these three circles. All you have to do is click on it and then export to PDF. However, for you to be able to export as PDF, you have to be using a pro account or using an enterprise account. And for my case, I don't have a pro account, so all you have to do is just upgrade your account to a pro account, and then you'll be able to export your presentation or anything from Tome.Ai to PDF. So that's it for the video guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to click like and subscribe for more daily content like this, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.